2024 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.